In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Steam Web API key. This key lets approved tools and services talk to your Steam account in a controlled way, so you can connect mods, bots, or integrations that rely on Steam data. Think of it like a special pass, powerful, convenient, and something you should protect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to steamcommunity.com dev API key. If you prefer using the Steam client, you can open the Store tab and drag that link into the Steam overlay to load the same page inside Steam. Either route goes to the official Steam Web API key page. If you're prompted to sign in, enter your Steam account credentials and complete any security checks. Make sure you're on the legitimate Steam community site before typing anything. Double-check the URL for peace of mind. On the API key page, look for the option that says Register New Key, or something similar. Click it to open the registration form. You'll see a field for a domain name. This is Steam's way of labeling where the key will be used. If you're hosting something on a server, use your server's IP address without the port number. For development on your own machine, enter localhost. If you're just testing or don't have a domain, you can enter a simple placeholder like example.com. You don't need to own a website for this step, it's primarily a required label. Next, review the Steam Web API terms of use and check the box to agree. These terms cover responsible usage and what's allowed, so it's worth understanding the basics. Use the key only for authorized purposes, don't abuse rate limits, and keep your account secure. Click Register to generate your key. Steam will display a long string of characters. This is your unique API key. Copy it immediately and store it somewhere secure. Treat it exactly like a password. Don't share it, don't post screenshots that reveal it, and don't paste it into public forums or code repositories. If an app or script needs the key, paste it directly and keep it private. Consider using a password manager or secure notes to store it safely, and avoid leaving it in plain text files. That's it. Thanks for watching.